Good evening, and once again, welcome to our commencement ceremony. Now, for those who know me, they already know, but for those who don't, I'm not really good at giving speeches. I'm more of a listener. So, sorry for my shaking voice, sorry for my breathes, excuse me. I would like to start by extending a warm greeting to everyone who has come here to celebrate with us. Your presence means the world to us, and your support has been an integral part of our journey. On behalf of my classmates, I want to thank you for encouraging us, believing in us, and standing by us throughout this incredible adventure. It is an honor to stand before you today as the valedictorian of this exceptional MBA program here at the American University of Iraq Slimani. This moment of pride and accomplishment is not just mine, but one we all share as we've reached this significant milestone together. Our journey has been challenging, but also rewarding. We've experienced many sleepless nights, difficult exams, and endless projects, but we have persisted. Each of us has our own success story to tell, but all together, we've accomplished something spectacular. We have not only received an education, but we have also matured as individuals, learning to manage the complexities of both the academic and real-world challenges. And today, we are here to celebrate that achievement and also the friendship we've gained along this journey. We will go home with certificates in our hands, many stories to tell, and a heart full of love for one and another. The American University of Iraq Slimani has been more than an academic institution. It has been our home, helping us to grow into the strong and accomplished people we are today. Here, we have developed both personally and professionally, sharpened our skills, and enriched our perspective of life. Our dedicated instructors have not only provided us with essential knowledge, but they have also directed us with wisdom and care, shaping our attitude and character. As a 26-year-old MBA graduate with a vision for excellence in my career life and a commitment in helping my community to develop, I would like to speak directly to all the young people here. Never stop learning and keep growing. The world is constantly evolving, and the pursuit of knowledge is a lifetime commitment. Not all of us are capable of taking big steps immediately, but with time, dedication, effort, and sustainability, we can achieve great things. Our journey is just beginning, and every step we take will contribute to our future success and growth. Once you get a bit of taste of that success, I promise you, you will forever seek more. As a female engineer, I would like to briefly talk to all the ladies here as a reminder to myself and all of you that in a world which often underestimates our strength, we must stand together and lift each other up. Our dreams are limitless, our potential is meaningful, and together we can break barriers and inspire future generation of women to dream big. Remember, our achievements are not only for ourselves, but for every woman who has been told that she cannot. Our strength is unique, our resilience is inspiring, and hand in hand, we can create a world where every woman feels valued and empowered. Let's keep shining, keep striving, and keep in mind that together we are unstoppable. To wrap up my speech, I want to express my heartfelt appreciation to everyone who has been with me along this journey. Now, this is a very long list, so have patience. I want to thank my friends and family, my father and my brother, for their constant love and encouragement. My mother, who is the very first reason why I'm here. Mom, Your faith and sacrifice in me has been my biggest inspiration, and I owe so much to the limitless love, affection, and dedication you've been giving me. A special thanks to my managers and my colleagues at my workplace, Lafarge Wholesome, for constantly pushing me to strive for greatness and serving as a proactive mentor along this journey. I consider myself a very lucky person to have the experience to be an employee at Lafarge Iraq, because it's an indescribable experience, and I will be forever thankful to be there as an employee. I think anyone would be lucky enough to have an experience even as a temporary internship or anything like that. I also cannot forget to mention my study partner, Bawar Nu'man. Bawar. Your presence made the long hours of studying bearable, and your support has never failed to uplift me. I am truly thankful to have had you by my side. While I'm standing here, I know this should have been you as well. I would also like to extend my gratitude to our teachers in the American University of Iraq Sulaimani for providing us such a challenging yet enriching course, which has been the solid foundation for our success. I am truly appreciated for all the knowledge and skills you have imparted on us. I actually want to thank someone else that I was not planning to mention in this speech, but here we go. I want to thank my fiancé for resisting my constant waves of anger and mood swings I had due to the stress of the exams and the studyings. And I would also like to thank him for listening to me repeating this speech at least 10 times a day for the past couple of days. And him complaining each time that I'm not mentioning his name. So Hamno, thank you, and I appreciate your existence. Lastly, I want to dedicate this degree to someone who's been with me in spirit every step of the way. My long-gone best friend, Nina. She was taken from us far too soon. I was only in the second course of this program when she gained her wings in the line of duty. I will forever carry her with me in every success, every achievement, every setback, knowing that she believed in me the most when I doubted myself. So as I stand here, and I know she's watching me from the above, I want to offer her this achievement as a tribute to her unconditional support and enduring friendship. May her beautiful soul rest in peace. Thank you all once again. Thank you all once again for joining in the celebration of this victory, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you.